Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn off read receipts on Telegram, step by step. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our helpful tutorials. Step 1. First things first, open your Telegram app on your phone. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Look for the Settings option, usually located at the bottom of your screen. You tap on it to open your settings. Step 3. Now scroll down a little and find the Privacy and Security section. This is where you'll be able to control who sees your information and activities. Step 4. In the Privacy and Security menu, tap on Last Seen. This is where you can adjust who sees your last seen and online status. Step 5. To stop people from seeing when you were last active, select Nobody under the Last Seen section. This ensures that no one can track when you were online or your last seen status. Step 6. Now let's focus on read receipts. Enable the option that says Hide Read Time. This will prevent others from knowing when exactly you've read their messages, giving you more privacy. Step 7. If there are certain people you want to exempt from these settings, click on Add Users. From there, you can choose specific contacts who will still be able to see your last seen or read receipts. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts and added extra privacy on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.